come to the flister part. In this part you have to select the sketch and line, select this type of line, and this. The dimension of this small gap is 0.5, and the distance of between this point and this point is 3. Distance between this point and this point 1.75. The overall distance of from this point to this point is 20. Okay, done. You have to revolve. Now you have to revolve this feature. I've already done, only you have to see this overview. Done. Exit sketch. See, this type of flister is great. Now come to the head part of this flister. Come sketch. See, go to the rectangle, center rectangle, and from center line you have to draw the rectangle. After that, the length of this 4.92. okay, and the breadth of this 0.18. okay, then done. All are defined sketch. Done. You have to extrude up to extrude up to depth 1 mm. okay, done. 1 mm. done. See, this type of view is created. Now come to the clamp screw section. I have already done this. Now see, go to the sketch section and go to the line. Now see the overall distance from this point to this point is 82.14, and this distance from this 13 mm, this distance to this 8, from this to this 5, and this distance to this distance is 0.50. as same as this. From this section you have to draw this length is 22 mm, and this half length is check the dimension of the length 8.47. okay, and the dimension of this 3.83. okay, done. After that you have to revolve this feature from this feature section, then revolve. This type of view is great. After that you have to another cut this hole is 10 mm diameter in this top of clamp screw, 10 mm diameter in the middle portion, then extrude cut. Done. okay, after that cut extrude. You have to cut the small cut on the joint of this part and this part. okay, in the middle of the part the diameter of the circle is 2.20, and you have to cut. This view is created. okay, this part is done.